Ever wished your ideas could just move? Now they can. There's an AI that takes one sentence and turns it into a full cinematic scene. No actors, no cameras, just imagination, rendered into motion in seconds. It's not editing, it's not luck, it's creativity powered by intelligence. Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, where we push the limits of what humans and AI can create together. So if you're ready to see how far imagination can go, hit subscribe, because today you're about to meet Kling AI, and it's rewriting how we tell stories. All right, let me show you how to access and explore Kling AI. First, open your browser and search for Kling AI on Google. It should show up right at the top. Just click on the first result, and you'll land on the official homepage. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of demo videos created by other users. I recommend checking out a few of them. The animation quality is seriously impressive. What's cool is each video shows the exact prompt used to create it, so you can instantly see how others are writing prompts and get inspiration for making your own videos fast and easy. Now, before doing anything, just hit sign in or create a free account on the left sidebar. It takes like 10 seconds, and once you're in, the fun begins. You'll notice two main tools in the AI generation section. Image under Colors 2.1. To create crazy good AI art video under Kling 2.1, where we'll be turning text into full-blown animated clips. Click on AI Video, then choose Text to Video. This is where the real fun begins. For example, create a video of a footballer farming in a lush green field, wearing his iconic jersey with a calm yet determined expression. Cool, right? Now let's fine-tune the settings. Video mode, choose Standard, Quick, or Professional, Sharper. Duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, up to you. Aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Number of outputs, want more versions to pick from? Set it here. Creativity level, more realism or more style? You control the vibe. You'll also see a negative prompt box. This is where you say what you don't want in your video. Things like animation, blur, distortion, cartoon, collage, logos. Once everything looks good, just smash that bright green Generate button and let Kling cook. Now, we've reached the part where I would normally demo how to create an actual video using Kling AI. But at the moment, the system is overloaded, so I'm not able to generate it right now. That said, I've already shown you all the steps. Just follow them, and you'll be able to create your own video as soon as the system is back online. I'll update with a full demo video as soon as Kling is working again. And that's it. Imagination turned into motion. Kling AI is changing how stories come to life, and we're just getting started. Hit subscribe and join me here at Next Gen AI Lab, where humans and AI create the impossible together.